In this video I'm going to show you some common reasons why your Canon printer TR7000 series is not printing. The first and most common reason is related to the wireless network. If you are using your printer over the Wi-Fi, then it may be possible the printer is disconnected from the Wi-Fi network, and whenever you send a print command, it will not print. So just make sure your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. The second reason can be paper. So if your printer doesn't have enough paper, or if the paper is already used, that means your printer will not print anything. So make sure you have enough paper in the paper tray, and you also select the correct size on the screen. If you select a different size, even then it will not print. Third reason may be the paper jam. So just check your printer for any error it shows up, and you have to clear the paper jam. Fourth reason may be the ink cartridge. Sometimes they are not installed properly. If you have any issue with the ink cartridges, you should go and check inside and have a look if everything is okay, installed properly or not, and then you can start using it. So these are the common reasons because of that the printer is not printing. But there may be some other reasons. For example, if you are using a USB cable, make sure the USB cable is properly working, it's not faulty. Also, you have up-to-date softwares in your laptop, or if you are using a mobile. Hopefully this will work for you and it can sort out your printing problem. Thanks for watching.